Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen gadget that every baking enthusiast should consider adding to their collection, the Breville BHM800BTR Handy Mixer for baking in a sleek black truffle finish. We found this product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what is the Breville Handy Mixer? At first glance, it's a stylish and compact hand mixer designed to make your baking experience easier and more enjoyable. But it's much more than just a pretty face. This mixer comes loaded with features that elevate it above the competition, making it a standout tool in any kitchen. One of the most impressive features is Breville's innovative Beater IQ technology. This unique system detects which attachment you are using, whether it's the scraper beaters, dough hooks, or balloon whisks, and automatically adjusts the mixer's speed accordingly. This smart calibration ensures that you always have the right amount of power for your mixing needs, whether you're whipping up cream for a cake or kneading tough bread dough. Speaking of the scraper beaters, let's talk about the noise level. One of the common complaints with hand mixers is the clanging and clattering that can occur while mixing. However, the Breville Handy Mixer addresses this issue with its quiet scraper beaters. These rubber-coated attachments are designed to maximize contact with the bowl while minimizing noise, allowing you to mix ingredients thoroughly without the annoying racket. It's a great feature for those late-night baking sessions when you don't want to wake the whole house. Now, let's discuss the versatility of this hand mixer. With 9 speed settings plus a boost option, you can easily tailor the mixer to suit your specific baking tasks. Whether you're gently folding in ingredients for a soufflé or mixing tougher dough for homemade bread, this hand mixer can handle it all. This flexibility makes it an excellent choice for both novice bakers and seasoned pros looking for precision in their mixing. The design of the Breville Handy Mixer is another highlight. It features an ergonomic handle that allows for a comfortable grip, reducing strain on your hands and wrists, even during those lengthy baking projects. This thoughtful design means that mixing won't feel like a chore, no matter how heavy your batter may be. Now, let's talk about storage. We all know that kitchen space can be tight, especially when you have multiple appliances and tools. Breville has addressed this concern with a detachable storage compartment that conveniently houses all the mixer's attachments and the swivel cord. This means you can keep your countertops and cabinets clutter-free, making it easy to access everything you need when it's time to bake. The Breville Handy Mixer comes with a thoughtful selection of accessories, including 2 scraper beaters, 2 dough hooks, and 2 balloon whisks. This variety ensures that you have the right tools for any mixing task, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. So, who is the Breville Handy Mixer suitable for? It's perfect for anyone from casual bakers to serious culinary enthusiasts. If you love baking cakes, cookies, bread, or any other sweet treats, this mixer can help you achieve great results with minimal effort. Whether you're preparing for a family gathering or just treating yourself, you'll find this hand mixer to be a reliable partner in the kitchen. In practical use cases, you can whip up fluffy meringues, mix cookie dough, or knead pizza dough with ease. Its adaptability means it can handle a wide range of baking tasks, making it a valuable tool for your culinary adventures. In conclusion, the Breville BHM800BTR Handy Mixer for baking combines innovative technology, user-friendly design, and powerful performance, making it a must-have for anyone serious about baking. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.